Yeah, just a sec, I'll check. Amanda Huggenkiss? Hey, I'm looking for Amanda Huggenkiss. Why can't I find Amanda Huggenkiss?
Maybe your standards are too high.
Little SOB. If I ever find out who you are, I'm gonna shove a sausage down your throat and stick starving dogs in your butt.
My name is Jimbo Jones, and I live at 1094 Evergreen Terrace.
Aha! Big mistake, pal! Oh, I knew he'd slip up sooner or later. Ah, yes, rusty and dull. Barney, don't steal any beer while I'm gone.
What kind of pathetic drunk do you take me for? Somebody spilled beer in this ashtray.
Let's see, where is that map? Evergreen Terrace. There it is, F5.
I don't believe it. Now my pants are chafing me.
All right, who's Jimbo Jones?
I am.
You just made your second mistake, buddy boy.
Please, dude, don't hurt me. Oh, man.
That's your outlaw?
I wasn't really gonna kill ya. I was just gonna cut ya. Forget it. Ouch, I better go check on Barney.
Uh-oh, my heart just stopped. Ah, there it goes.
Ow! Stupid wishing well.